government is always having a lot of favors, because like government is directly accessing the system, right? For example, if you're using email, right? If you're using Gmail, then if I'm sitting in India, if I feel like you are a part of any cyber scam or something, if you're doing some sort of scam or something, then if I am a government person, then probably I'll just tell the officer which is in my location, or from Minister of Home Affairs, I just write a mail to Google. This is a Gmail account. I want each and every information. So whatever things you can see on your Google dashboard, I can directly access that thing, right? I can get all those logs. And in case of if it's US government, then they can even get to know what exactly you are having on your device as well. This is what happening. Private companies, like, they are mostly based on OSINT stuff, open source intelligence, but government agencies are directly having access of everything, right? So that is what the difference they have. And apart from that, like, there's a company like surveillance. There's an analytics company of US. I'm not getting the name. No, something else was there. I don't know. So that was like world biggest data analytics company. So that was being acquired by CIA. So, like, yeah, probably government acquires the company who's working something very great, right? But always, like, if you private company is having 10% of capabilities, then government is having around 500% of capabilities, right? That's what we have. Agencies can see anything. Even it was being claimed from Proton Mail, Proton VPN. We never share data with anyone, but they share with the US government. There's a lot of article in 2019 which was said that in a investigation, the data from Proton VPN was being sent to US government.